This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Shirley Welch. Nestled in the highly sought-after Princeton School District, this beautifully renovated college park home offers an abundance of space and modern amenities. Boasting a unique split floor plan, this property is perfect for families seeking both comfort and convenience. 3 spacious bedrooms and an upstairs bonus room that can be utilized as a 4th bedroom with an ensuite full bathroom. A bright and inviting sunroom currently used as a dining or eating area with access to the screened porch and spacious backyard. The large upstairs, 15 by 26, bonus room features a private entrance, ideal for guests, multi-generational living, second family room, or guest/mother-in-law suite. Great outdoor space perfect for activities, gatherings and leisure. Roof replaced in 2018, ensuring durability and peace of mind. Air conditioning updated in 2018 for efficient cooling and comfort. Windows replaced in 2016, enhancing energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Fully replumbed in 2016 and kitchen appliances and water heater were all updated within the past 3 years, providing modern functionality. Conveniently located in College Park, residents will enjoy easy access to downtown Orlando, local amenities, shops, dining options, community pool, making this home a perfect blend of suburban tranquility and urban convenience. This renovated home is not only a testament to quality and modern living but also a gateway to a vibrant community and an excellent school district. Don't miss the opportunity to make this charming property your new home. For more information, review the details below.